The overflow tube directs excess tank water into the bowl and is a hidden but crucial pathway for cleaning jets and keeping the flush effective. The overflow tube sits at the center of the tank and channels water from the fill valve area down into the rim and siphon jet passages each time the toilet refills. So cleaning it improves distribution to areas a bowl scrub cannot reach. To clean the tube, remove the tank lid, lift the float or hold the fill valve to stop automatic filling. Then pour a diluted bleach solution or a commercial toilet cleaner directly into the overflow opening so the liquid is drawn through the internal passages. Use a funnel and a long, narrow nozzle bottle to aim the solution without splashing and let it sit for at least 10 minutes so mineral deposits and biofilm soften. After soaking, trigger a full flush and let the refill water run through multiple flush cycles to push loosened debris out of the jets and rim holes. For heavy mineral buildup, repeat this process once a week for 3 weeks. Then switch to monthly maintenance, using a mild acid cleaner like white vinegar if your plumbing materials are compatible. Always ventilate the bathroom, wear gloves, and never mix bleach with acidic cleaners to avoid toxic fumes. A common mistake is only scrubbing the visible bowl and ignoring the tank and overflow so the jets stay partially blocked. Fix that by routinely pouring cleaner into the overflow tube and flushing to force the cleaner through the jets. People often pour concentrated cleaners directly into the bowl and not into the tank where circulation happens, so instead dilute the cleaner appropriately and apply it into the overflow to reach the rim holes. Another issue is using harsh acids or undiluted bleach on older rubber or plastic components, which can degrade seals. Use milder cleaners or test a small amount first and rinse thoroughly after treatment. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find local contractors and help contractors find work by listing projects and contact options tailored to your needs. We also host an active discussion community where we and other members share practical maintenance tips like overflow tube cleaning and troubleshooting.